Hello everyone, my name is Kevin Jun. I'm completing my tutorial on Kahoot. Kahoot is a great website or an app you can download off the App Store or the Google Play Store to utilize Kahoots. Sign up is free, so you need to click on this button here, indicate who you are. So I'm a teacher. You have different options. You can sign in with Google, Microsoft, or email. Email will probably be the best choice, and then just fill in the required information to create your login. So let me log into my account, and it will be sent to your home page. Now on the home page you will find the logistics. This is brand new. I have not created one, so they're letting me create a Kahoot. So I'm going to press you will press create here, or create Kahoot for your first Kahoot. Here you will see the different templates that you could use. I'll just go ahead and create a blank one, and here you are. Your question goes up here. You have 120 character limit. Here you could change your font. So let me go ahead and put in our question. Who is the presenter for this tutorial? Here you could drag an image as the background. Here's the number of seconds that will display the question. Here you get to designate the points for this question. So we'll leave it at 1,000. And for our sake, we'll just put only first names. Now, on the side of your answer choices, you do have character limits, but also you do have these check marks to indicate which one is the correct answer. I'm going to go ahead and select Kevin, and then we'll move on. You could either add the next question as a quiz, a multiple choice, or true or false. These are only available for the upgraded version, so we are just limited to this on the free version. A suggestion I have is for questions that you want to look that other creators have in their Kahoots. So let me show you an example. What is a horse? Now, if this question was already created, then it will show down here on the list that you could just go ahead and add on to your Kahoot. I like this one here. This was created, and I just need to press add, close, and here the question that I've selected has been added to my Kahoot. And so what is force? We have a push and a pull. Here we go. We're gonna go ahead, and so if we finished up our Kahoot, we're gonna press done. Enter a title. It's gonna be Kahoot example. Press continue. And here we have officially saved our Kahoot. Now it's ready to be played. We're gonna go to our Kahoot list, or you could go to your home and press play. So we'll press play here. There's two options. They could play as teams or individuals. For our example, we'll just select players, individual players. Now here it will give you a Kahoot code or game pin that students need to copy into when they get into the website or their app. You just press enter game pin. Here, go ahead and put in my game pin. And on the student version, they get to select a nickname. So I'll go ahead and select it. Now after they created the name, they're in, but on our list, it shows of the who joined. Now if these usernames are not school appropriate, you could go ahead and just cancel and have them recreate it, but this one seems good. And once everybody has joined, you will press start. Now at the start, it will display the question up for the students to see. Who is the presenter for this tutorial? It will provide the answer choices, and on the student view they have their options. So we know it's Kevin, so we're going to put triangle red, and it shows that this student got it right. If they got it incorrect, it will be a red screen here showing that person got it incorrect. So we press next. We have our scoreboard that shows who's leading. So go to the next question. What is force? Have our options down here, and students get to choose. So we'll go with pull or push. And there you go. This student is number 1, first place. And next, and here is the podium. So our student was the leader. Now, this Kahoot refers back to our SAM model. It relates to substitution because it's not, this technology is just used as a substitution as students to apply what they learned in class, or what they understand, or what they remember from what they learned in the lesson. So it could be used as a great formative assessment, um, and really could benefit all users in the classroom. So thank you so much for watching my tutorial, and have a great one.